Zoramtar's president, Dr. Zaitonalondo, received a vision to build a church in 2003 while working as a missionary in Calcutta Mission Field. In the year 2015, he received a clear revelation from God that the location of this church will be at Tenzol. This church is instrumental for the unity of all Zofate, to break division and to work in one accord as one people, one faith, one ancestry, to spread the good news of the kingdom of God to all nations and to be a light for all nations. This church is estimated to be the largest church in the world, with 30,000 seats inside the church, with a total seating and standing capacity including the compound to be 70,000 people. The diameter of the church will be 270 feet and the diameter of the worship dancing center will be 80 feet. The height of the church will be 177 feet. The current expenditure estimate is rupees 100 crore, which is approximately $10 million. It is located at Kanan Inpui, Kanan Ving, Tenzol in the state of Mizoram. The church will serve as a global mission center. Different church denominations can utilize it for conferences and assembly meetings as well. It will be a center of prayer for spiritual, mind, and physical healing, and will be used as a praise and worship center. It will also serve as a very important global tourist attraction. Zofate Pathian Biak Inpui area measures 23,809.52 square meters and will be the biggest church building in the world. There will be 12 doors leading to 12 rooms. Each door and room will display the story of the Bible through paintings. The owner of Zofate Pathian Biak Inpui will be all Zofate across the globe. Zoramtar Zofate Lairel na Inpui, the non-governmental organization, has officially taken all initial responsibilities. However, careful consideration will be taken on the future ownership and long-term administration involving churches and governments as necessary. All Zofate will work in Natlang, also known as National Community Work Spirit. It is our hope that all Zofate will contribute the Natlang offering. The aim is to complete the construction within 3 years. The process of erecting pillars has begun. We will begin with 50 pillars, with each one estimated to cost around 50,000 rupees, just under $500 to complete. Details of how you can contribute will be written on the screen and on the description section. May God bless Zofate and this church to be a blessing to the whole world.